Hello guys and welcome to TechTricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to add home address to Google Maps. So by the end of this video, you will learn how to do them. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to open our Google Maps. And after opening, you would be directed to this page. So all we have to do is to find the location where we are located, or you can search it here on your search bar. But let's say for example that you are located here in Australia, and let's say that you are from this place, or maybe right here, you're located right here. So let's say for example this one. So all we have to do is to click this place and then scroll down right here on the bottom. So this one will pop up. So all you have to do is to click this add label. And then as you can see, you can add work, school, or maybe even gym. So let's say for example, you want to add name, let's say home. And then click this on right here. And then as you can see, location is now set as our home. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching TechTricks tutorial. I hope you learned something, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day everyone.